Did you know that the PTE Write from Dictation task contributes to both your listening score and your writing score? For this task, you'll hear a sentence, and after that, you'll need to type the sentence exactly as you heard it into the box on the screen. Each sentence will be between 10 and 15 words. In many ways, this is the most straightforward of all the PTE test tasks, but you still have to practice. The more times that you practice the Write from Dictation task, the easier it will become. At E2, we have heaps of Write from Dictation practice questions so you can master this task quickly. Sign up for free at e2testprep.com and access them today. Okay, let's take a look at some strategies for Write from Dictation. Strategy number 1. Repeat the sentence in your head as soon as you hear it. Echoing the sentence like this keeps it alive in your head while you write it down. A spoken sentence is like a musical tune. Repeating the melody of the sentence helps you to remember all of the words. Strategy number 2. Remember chunks, not words. An 8 to 12 word sentence can generally be split into 3 chunks. It is much easier to remember 3 chunks than 12 words. I'll give you an example of what I mean. Let's break a sentence into chunks. Here is a sentence. Nutritionists recommend drinking at least 2 liters of water every day. Let's break it into 3 units of meaning. Nutritionists recommend drinking at least 2 liters of water every day. Chunk 1, chunk 2, and chunk 3. It's much easier to remember a sentence if we split it into chunks. Let's try another one. Most airlines require that international passengers check in 3 hours before departure. Now that is quite a mouthful and a lot of information to remember as one unit. Let's break it down into manageable chunks. Most airlines require that international passengers check in 3 hours before departure. Chunk 1, chunk 2, chunk 3. Chunking makes it a lot easier to remember the sentence accurately, but what about writing it down? Do you have a strategy that works for you? Some people find that it helps to write down the sentence on a piece of paper while listening and then to use those rough notes as a guide to type the sentence into the box on the screen. Others prefer to concentrate on using their memory of the sound of the dictated sentence. You might work best with a combination of both. Many people also find that they can concentrate better on hearing and remembering the dictation sentence if they close their eyes and repeat the sentence in their head. Experiment with what works best for you. Strategy number 3. Focus on the content words, the words that carry most of the meaning in a sentence, the nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Have a look at this sentence. Keep an eye on the clock so you don't run out of time. Which words carry the content of the sentence, the important meaning? Keep, eye, clock, don't run, time. The other 7 words, an, on, the, so, you, out, and of, have very little meaning. We need them to form a sentence that is grammatically correct, but we don't need them to convey the essential meaning of the sentence. We can focus on remembering the important content words and then add in the functional grammar words to recreate our sentence. So remember, by focusing on and remembering these content words when you listen, you'll be able to convey the essential meaning of the sentence when you write it down. The function words such as articles and prepositions can be added in later when you check the dictation sentence for correct grammar. Okay, the final strategy is check for spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Make sure to begin the sentence with a capital letter and end the sentence with a full stop or question mark. It's a simple but important strategy. So we've looked at some strategies. It's now time to practice. Be ready for the dictation when it starts. Focus. Break the sentence into chunks. Type each chunk as you recall it, and finally, check spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Let's do it. Here's your first sentence. You'll have 5 seconds to write the answer down after you hear the audio. Ready? Listen and write now.
All vehicles parked on the university campus require a valid parking permit.
Here's the correct answer. all vehicles parked on the university campus require a valid parking permit. How did you go? Did you repeat the sentence in your head? Did you break the sentence into chunks? I would have broken the sentence into 3 chunks. All vehicles parked on the university campus require a valid parking permit. Chunk 1, Chunk 2, and Chunk 3. You'll find that these steps become second nature and that you'll become more and more confident with this task. Let's try a few more. Here's number 2. Ready? Listen, then write.
Many governments offer incentives to encourage the use of electric vehicles.
And here's the sentence. Many governments offer incentives to encourage the use of electric vehicles. Getting better? Remembering more of the sentence each time? Good. Let's keep practicing. Number 3. Ready? Listen, then write.
Competitors are required to report to the registration desk in the hotel lobby.
Here's the sentence in full. Competitors are required to report to the registration desk in the hotel lobby. Did you get all of the words in the correct order? The main words in this sentence are competitors, required, report, registration desk, and hotel lobby. The less important grammar words are, to, the, in, and the can be added in later. Okay, let's do another one. Concentrate. Repeat the sentence in your head and remember chunks of language. Here we go. Ready? Listen, then write.
Cash is becoming less common as contactless payment methods become more widespread.
Okay, here's the sentence from the dictation. Cash is becoming less common as contactless payment methods become more widespread. Again, we can remember the sentence more easily if we break it into 3 phrases. Cash is becoming less common as contactless payment methods become more widespread. Great! I think you're getting used to the process now. Let's do one more practice task together. Remember, if you want more Write from Dictation practice tasks along with methods videos and practice tests, sign up for free at e2testprep.com. The more times you practice Write from Dictation, the easier it gets. Okay, here we go. Listen, then write.
Climate change has meant more frequent severe weather often affects transport routes.
The sentence was, climate change has meant more frequent severe weather often affects transport routes. I hope you were able to write it down correctly. You get credit for every word that is correct, so don't be too concerned if you missed out a word or got one word slightly wrong. You can still achieve a high score. Let us know in the comments section how you went. Was your spelling and grammar correct? And what did you find challenging? All right, we've practiced 5 Write from Dictation tasks. Practice is the key to success with this task. The process of listening, repeating, remembering in chunks, focusing on content words, writing the sentence, and checking for spelling and grammar should soon become automatic, and you will find that as you practice, you continue to improve. Let's recap those important strategies for performing well in PTE Write from Dictation. Number 1, repeat the sentence in your head. Number 2, remember chunks, not words. Number 3, focus on content words, not grammar words. And number 4, check for spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Great work! Remember, Write from Dictation is a task where you can gain valuable points for both your listening and writing scores, so you'll want to practice this task as much as you can. Sign up for free at e2testprep.com. Good luck on your PTE test!